Welcome to Time Out with Yomi Martins, and on today's edition we'll be looking at using artificial intelligence to maximize our SEO. And for those who do not know what SEO means, SEO simply means our search engine optimization. That is actually what gets people to identify your content and get people to watch your video in the first place on YouTube. And if that's the kind of content you like, please quickly do the smashing of the like button and the subscribe button so that you'll always be the first to get new contents that I produce. With that out of the way, let's dive right in. But let me first tell you what you will be learning first so that you will wait till the end of the video. Number one, you're going to be learning how to use ChatGPT, right? Give it the appropriate command, the kind of command you should give ChatGPT to maximize the outputs, how you are going to write those commands, and how the kind of results you will get, right? And the various updates you need to also do on YouTube to make sure that people get to see your videos more. If that sounds interesting, please stay till the end. I'll catch you on the other side. Bye for now. Okay, the first thing to do is to get on Google. From Google, we'll get into our YouTube account, and there's that icon on the top right. You go to YouTube Studio, you go to create, it gives you the prompt to download your file. You click on it and you get to where your file is. That's the first protocol. So it will start loading on YouTube, right? That's loaded right now because we saved with the appropriate file name. Don't save your files in random names. Save it exactly with the name you want to use as title. That is very, very important. Don't just save it as XYZ and all that stuff. Okay, fine, that's out of the way. We copy the title, we'll go to ChatGPT, right, on Google. Type in the prompt. You can play this video back again over and over again to look at how I'm typing out the prompt, right? Type it out in such a way that you are giving it a specific instruction. Write XYZ for me, right? Ensure you use keywords, right? Ensure you use keywords. Include 3 hashtags, right? Now give me long tail tags and short tail tags, right? Those are the basic things you need for your SEO. Your title, you already have it, you have already generated that. The keywords that ChatGPT is going to use in the description, write me video description, it's going to add it automatically. Then last but not the least, the tags that you are going to use. Then also you also note, which I didn't put in this command right now, so I'm going to regenerate that section. Also note that it is advisable you tell ChatGPT to write the long tail and the short tail tags and use comma to separate them. I'm doing that right away right now. So you see, it has generated my long tail tags and my short tail tags. So all I need to do is copy them and paste. So the description I've already copied. I'm pasting right now, which I've already pasted, and the tags also I'm going to paste. I'm editing some parts of this video out so that it doesn't get too long. You understand? So for the thumbnail, you go to the thumbnail. Your thumbnail is also very, very important for your SEO. So you go to your thumbnail. You will start designing your thumbnail. You can use Canva. You can use so many other platforms. Once you pick the file for your thumbnail, you dump it right over there. Right now, there is a playlist. I will advise you to always use a playlist because the playlist allows people to also see some other videos that you have done, right? So always choose a playlist, right? I have so many playlists on mine, so I chose one and all that stuff. So obviously the next item is, if you are monetized, you will have this icon there for monetization. If not, you won't see it. Then the appropriateness, you make sure that your video, you tick it for appropriateness and all that stuff. So once you are through with all that, you go and check. We can go and check the elements, right? That is the end screen. The end screen is there. It allows you to put a playlist, and it also allows you to put a video and all that stuff. Then the card, you can also add a card, right? Now let's go back there, guys. I realized I was too fast, so let's just go back to the video again. It's loading, so let's just go back to the edit part of the video, which is this point. I realized that was pretty fast. Okay, now once you go back to where you started off editing. Let me show you some things, right, on the video details. Okay, it's coming up. Okay, you can see that the thumbnail has already been loaded. The description that ChatGPT wrote for us is already there. Everything is looking dandy, right? It has saved us a lot of headache. And the hashtags, it has 3 hashtags. Normally, if you use more than 3 hashtags, you are just going to waste your time, because the hashtags are not going to show on the screen, right? YouTube has been configured in such a way that it can only show 3 hashtags on the title and all that stuff. So you are just going to be wasting your time using more than 3 hashtags and all that stuff. So let's just scroll down a bit. Let me see what else we have to look at. We have to look at the status of our other items on Show More, right? Our playlist, we have already selected that. Okay, you have several playlists that you can choose from. So now we have gotten to the section of Show More. You click on that Show More. It's just at the bottom, right? It shows you, other details, right? The most important one for us is the language. Make sure that the language is optimized. Okay, so I guess if you see me once again, that means you stayed till the end of the video. How did you find it? I hope you learned a thing or two. If you did, please, on your way out, smash the like and subscribe button, and also share with a friend. You never know who might actually need this kind of content. I remain yours sincerely, Yomi Martins, from the city of Lagos, Nigeria. I'll catch you some other time. Bye for now.